Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have HAYLOU W1 headphones and I'm going to show you how can you easily fix if your only one earbud is working. At first we have to open our case lid and remove our headphones from our case. Now we have to make sure that these pins that are located over there are clean. If they are, you can close your case and check if these are clean in your headphones. Now, if they are, make sure that they are turned on. To make sure that they are turned on, look at the LED lights. If they are, make a hard reset. To make a hard reset, at first you have to put them back into the case and then hold your finger 10 seconds on these touch points located over there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now if it doesn't still work, you have to contact your support. That's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.